Alright guys, I thought I'd give you a quick little video for today. Today is Wednesday, July 3rd, 2019. I'm on my way down to Tobyhanna, Pennsylvania. So I'll be in position to start with a new customer tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. You got to check in with at least 10 hours driving available, so from my house it's about a 2.5 hour ride, so there's no way I can get down here without I got to have that 10 hours available for driving. So I'm gonna get down here tonight. I'm gonna go right to their facility and drop the empty trailer I have and go off the clock. Now I've run for this customer before, and you have to have they give you a driver number, one of their numbers to work with them so they know who you are. So I might have to, it's possible, I haven't worked with them probably in about 2 years, so I may have to do their little orientation again or not, I'm not sure. The agent that I talked to about, who I got the work from, said they're probably just going to give you another number. They're not going to make you go through orientation. Your driver's license and everything will still be in their system. So, anyway, we got about 48 miles left to go to get down there. It's 6:45 in the evening here, this Wednesday evening. Really not too excited about all this. I'm missing 4th of July tomorrow at home, and then the weekend. This will be a nice 4 days to be home, but hey, you gotta work when you can work. Next week I probably will take some days off. I may end up taking my camper down to Long Island for a couple days to visit family. We shall see if that works out or not. It's been a real hot day today. Been in the upper 80s. Kind of sticky out a little bit. Perfect 4th of July weather, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so this customer here will be going to like Long Island, Jersey, northern Jersey, northeast Pennsylvania. Actually, they have a couple runs over that go into like the Newburgh, New York area, Hudson Valley kind of area, and then slightly into, I guess, southeastern Connecticut. So it'll be a little bit different. Probably be a lot of city stuff. I know when I worked here before, I probably did Long Island a couple of days a week when I worked with them. But you can also be sent out away from this distribution center, and like they could send you down to West Virginia and make a delivery down there, and then they send you into a different distribution center to pick up a load. So you can end up doing all kinds of stuff. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. Like I said, it's probably only going to be for a week. We'll have to wait and see. Should be hearing something from the other agent maybe Friday, or should be by Monday, whether we have the new work with the run I was doing before, starting at the end of July. So we should find something out here by early next week. That dedicated work really works out good for me because I'm in my home area all the time. This here I have to, you have to start at this certain distribution center That's where you got to start and end your week with them. So say I get done Monday night at 8 o'clock at night. If I don't have enough time to get home, I'm gonna have to take another break to get home. So I'm not home till Tuesday. And really, you got to be back down in the area Wednesday night so you can get a 10-hour break in, so that you have the 10 hours driving available when you check back in. See, ideally, you would your tractor would be down here. You could drive your car back and forth, but that's only if you plan on being here a long time. I know that Landstar here, we've got a lot of guys that, and possibly there may be some guys still working here that I knew a couple of years ago, still running out of this distribution center. We should be all done for the night before 8 o'clock, so try to get a good night's sleep tonight. Maybe work on editing some video or something a little bit before I go to bed. And call it a day. Alright guys, we are all done for the day. I'm parked here at this little truck stop in Goldsboro, Pennsylvania. I dropped my empty trailer over at the distribution center, and gonna take it easy for the rest of the night here, and gotta get up about 5 a.m. and be in there to check in at 6. So I want to thank you guys for stopping in and watching the Trucker John show today. Glad you could be here. Come back and see me tomorrow, guys. Take care.